Yes, Tushit, start your spot test.
Hello everyone, I am Tushit and I am going to do spot test on chapter 3, that is pair of linear equation in two variables.
Okay. Hey, what is this Airtel shirt today, man?
So my father's brother, sir,
Oh, he
brother's
works.
son works in Airtel
Airtel.
company, so
Oh,
he
okay,
gave me.
okay, okay. You change into another T-shirt. We don't want any. You can pause it and you can go. Change into another T-shirt, okay?
Okay, sir.
Because we don't want any product placements in our videos. Correct?
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I don't have.
I'll pause. Yeah. Looking smart. Okay. Let's continue.
Yes.
Which of the following pairs of linear equations are consistent or
Inconsistent.
if you press more, its depth will increase. It will become more thick. Got it?
Okay, sir.
Is the spelling of graphically correct?
Wrong, sir.
Graphically.
Okay, in the question they have given, they are following there are pairs of a linear equation,
Okay.
and we have to find it is consistent or inconsistent.
Okay.
Then we have, if it is consistent, means we have to obtain it as it in this graphical situation.
Graphically, you have to find the solution.
Graphically, we have to find the solution.
Please don't muddle your words. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay, continue.
Now I am going to write the subdivisions.
Okay. Keep it there only, no, on top. Yeah. You solve the first one and then go for the second one.
Now we are solving the first one.
Okay. Very deliberate way of writing 0, but still if it works for you, good. Good. Continue.
Now, in the question first subdivision, the equation was not proper. So
Okay.
I have made it proper by adding 0 to the right-handed side.
Okay. So this is the standard form of a linear equation in two variable. So you should say not proper, not improper. You should say writing in the standard form of
linear equation
in two variables. Correct. Yes, how are you writing that? Can you explain?
So here because here x we have a variable x.
Okay.
We have to see if something is multiplied.
We have to see its coefficient.
We have to see its coefficient.
Numerical coefficient.
We have to see its numerical coefficient.
Mm.
Here the numerical coefficient of x is nothing. Then we have to conclude it as 1.
Okay.
So x coefficient will be 1 and y also it will be 1.
Okay.
And here we have -5, so we will take it as -5 itself.
Okay.
Next, in second equation, we have x coefficient as 2, so we can take it as 2 itself.
Okay.
And in B, we have y's coefficient is also 2, so we can take it as 2.
Okay.
And here -10, so we can take it as -10.
So C's are constants basically.
Yes.
A is the coefficient of x and B is the coefficient of y. And 1 signifies first equation, 2 signifies second equation. So A1, B1, C1 are for which equation?
First equation.
Yes, A2, B2, C2 are for second equation. Okay. You can do it in the side only. You'll have space there. Yeah. Will not.
Now I am going to use a general form of A1 by A2 and B1 by B2 and C1 by C2.
Okay. A1 by A2. So you are basically going to find out A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2.
Here A1 is 1 and A2 is 2 and B1 is also 1 and B2 is also 2. Here C1 is -5 and here
C2
is -10.
Good.
Here minus and minus cancels. 5 ones are 5 twos are.
Okay.
So we get 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2, comma 1 by 2.
Okay.
Here all three are same.
Okay.
So this will be infinite solutions. It has this equation has infinite solution.
This pair of equations have infinite.
This pair of equations have
infinite solutions. Okay. So before you write that, you have to write A1 by A2
is equals to
yes,
B1
yes,
by B2
yes.
is equals to C1 by C2.
Yes, that is a condition. Yeah.
Yes. if we have all three as same means it is all three are same means it is an infinite solution. This pair of linear equation as infinite
Very
solutions.
good. Please write that. This pair of infinitely many solutions. Very nice.
Now I'm going to write the coordinates of this equation.
Okay.
Now we will see the
So when you have infinitely many solutions, that means those two equations are
consistent
consistent and also
and also coincident.
coincident also. Okay, so please write the pair of linear equations go to the next one then. Try. The pair of linear equations
Are
consistent
consistent and it has coincidence
and they are coincident.
and
Or you can simply write and are coincident. S नहीं आएगा C आएगा coincident CIDENT. Yes. Okay, what do you mean by consistent? Can you explain?
so consistent means it
Shall I tell? Consistent means it has a solution. Non-consistent means it does not. Inconsistent means it does not have a
solution.
solution. Will you remember?
Yes.
Okay, and what do you mean by coincident lines?
So coincident means they are overlapping on each.
Exactly. Good. Good that you know. When they overlap each other, do you have to draw one line or two lines?
Two lines
But both lines are.
in a same line. So
So
we have
one line is enough. Correct. So to find solutions, you can find solution of any one equation. Any one equation, if you write the coordinates, it is sufficient. So select any one equation and find its coordinates. Because they are having
only one line.
yeah, they are yeah, correct.
They are each.
So there is no point in finding multiple coordinates, only two coordinates. I think the first equation seems to be easy.
Yes. X plus y is equals to 5.
5.
I am going to take x plus y is equals to 5.
Yes, you have to find the coordinates. Come on.
Now before that, I
Right.
the table
Okay.
x and y.
And
Now-
write the equation in the side.
Okay, so
X plus y
y is equals to 5.
5. Yes.
Now I'll take x as 0.
Mhm.
So x is equals to 0. 0 plus y is equals to 5. And 0 comes this side,
Okay.
becomes minus 0. And y is equals to 5. So we got the first coordinate, that is, one moment, I'll write in the place of y value
Yes.
5. And we got the first coordinate as 0 comma 5.
Good. There itself you go. Continue.
Now I'll put next one I'll take y as 0.
Okay.
So here y is equals to 0,
Mhm.
x plus 0 is equals to 5, x
You
is
don't have to
equals
transport the 0 to the other side, okay?
Okay,
Directly you
then
can
it
write
will
x
be
is
5.
equal to, yes.
Now we got the another coordinate, that is 5 comma 0.
Good. First the x coordinate and then the y coordinate. Yes.
We got the both coordinates.
That is enough.
Now second subdivision.
Hmm.